Yo, what's up? This was yesterday trade. And yeah, today we ended up taking another trade on London session, which was a win. Luckily, round of applause for me. Yeah, I made 150 today on the 50k eval. Kind of A plus setup, Mac model. So we had 15 minutes of fill gap above us, and in a minute I'm gonna show you the real chart. But let's go and see here that we are in the 50k account, making 150 plus. So we're still in no drawdown on the 50k. I respect all my criteria, even for the strategy, so how to execute my trade, and even for management, so take up the position to 80% at 1 hour, set break even, and scale down, scale like your position. Meanwhile, the price rise, right? I've logged some of my emotion and how I execute the trade. In this trade, add an SMT. Yeah. So let's go and see on the real chart, in the chart that I took the trade. So uh, before my analysis, we were in this situation right there, right? We were in this 5 minute candle right there. So I said like, okay, we have a 50-minute unfilled gap down here below, and what we have up here, we still have a 50-minute unfilled gap, which is this one. Okay, so after taking out um, this leg that's swept inside, let's say inside the 50-minute gap, so I went lower and I saw this. So we have this 50-minute condition here, and as you can see, this 50-minute condition um, has been respected in this candle, right? So price wanted to go higher. This is why I waited. I didn't enter inside of this leg, right? But I waited for price to build more structure. If we go in 5 minutes, we can see structure. Price like went higher, creating low resistance liquidity in the way down here. In the 1 minute, we can see it better. We created this low resistance liquidity. We swept this internal high, low, inside the 5 minute gap, the green box, right? And then on ES we didn't sweat this low, so we on Nasdaq we sweat on this internal low. This is, let me mark it out, internal low, right? So we stripped this internal low. We put an SMT. So I said like, okay, it looks like an A plus setup. Let me. Okay, I'm back. Sorry guys. I had a little bit problem with trade weight and my execution. Yeah. So as I was saying, as soon as I saw this uh, leg kind of get ran through, right? We were already above this internal high where my stop loss would be, my break even point would be. I said like, okay, let's wait a moment. Let's see if we retrace back to our fair value gap, and I enter. I enter off of this candle, or maybe this candle, don't remember, but let's say for general purpose only, we took at this candle right there, and as you can see, and this is like God did, as you can see, this was where my stop loss was, and if you go and see the distance is even uh, more or less a point, right? So God did for real. God saved my trade, and then price keep went higher, higher, higher. I took out. I opened. I bought I think 6 contract. I scaled down 2 contract right there, and 2 more contract right there, and I was having my stop loss right here, right? After taking this contract off, I say, okay, I don't care about the price reversing, but if it does, I wanna get 1 R just because I'm trading on evaluation. So I need to make the most amount of money possible. So as you can see, I put my stop loss right there, my break even point right there, and I got filled here. Um, if I can say, really like this trade, and let's do like this. Now is 2 p.m. my time, and London's New York session start at 3:30. 9:30 open is 3:30 for me. So I'm gonna leave the chart like this. Um, Try and see if we can get a trade in the noon, so in New York AM session, and then I'll be back or to close the video or to see and show you guys the other trade. Hope to not take a loss because my rule is just one trade a day, but this was in London session, so I can have like another try using the profit that I made today. So at next I can lose 145, let's say, so I keep $4 profit, right? So let's see you guys after and see what future bring us. Okay, welcome back. Is 7 p.m. my time. I think is, let me see, is 2 p.m. New York time. Um, Ended up taking only this trade today, this morning London session, and yeah, during New York was a bit of a mess. We had all this um, falling on price, this bearish leg, taking out a lot of liquidity in this zone. So yeah, I've like one lost because I didn't take it. One right now, like really right now. With this equal lows down there, we were ranging. I would expect price to go higher, retrace in the 5 minute, maybe SMT here, and then go lower. And yeah, I saw this SMT, waited for 3 minute inversion, 1 minute inversion, nothing was there. Only with things was this 1 minute change in state of delivery, and yeah, but I stopped traded it. I don't trade change in state of delivery no more. I use like confirmation but not confluence. And we didn't take also this one because I'm a fucking stupid. I wasn't I wasn't trusting myself enough to take the long off of this candle here with my stop here initially, so kind of 1-1. But like yeah, I'm stupid, didn't take it, and yeah, ATP 15 minute unfilled. This was unfilled, and kind of Mac model. We didn't sweat here this sell side liquidity item frame from left, but we did put an SMT, I'm pretty sure. And so I said like SMT equal sweep, so it's like we swept this low, we can rebalance price. I looked for a 15 minute gap, which was here. I scale down, see this 3 minute, and then scale down, see yeah, pretty much this was only 1 3 minutes, so I waited for the 3 minute, and then I would have executed trade, but I didn't take it. So this put us at plus 500 on the week with a dub. This is, in my opinion, is not a loss because this just was an error by me misclicking. So I said like, okay, I'm currently on a streak of 3 green trade, 2 London session, 1 New York session, and yeah, so pretty happy with the start of this here. This week we have a 75 win rate percent. Yeah, average win 135, so it's good. And yeah, we green on the week and happy, happy, happy. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning. Uh, I want to say thank God, thank life for this opportunity again, and hope to see you next time with another win.